Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm actually doing something new. Oh my gosh, it's been a while since I've wore a head wrap. Let me talk about it. But I'm doing something new well, I guess it's not really new because I review products all the time, but I bought a new appliance, a new tool, and I wanted to test it out and give you my first impression. But before we do that, if you could tell by the title, this is going to be a Jade roller review video, and I just wanted to come and share with you some of the benefits of jade rolling. So what is a jade roller? A jade roller is basically a stone that's considered a handheld massage, and it's meant to really get the blood circulating, reduce under eye swelling, and then help with your skin when trying to absorb products. So that's why it's recommended to use a jade roller before applying the product, before applying any products to your skin, so that when you do apply the products to your skin, they're able to get the best results possible. This is after jade rolling and applying the product. I do have naturally glowy skin, and I'm sure you've seen all of my skincare videos, but I just love the way that my skin was feeling after jade rolling, the way it looked. So what are the benefits? I mentioned some, but reduce under eye swelling, helps with wrinkles, wakes up the skin, and then if you keep your jade roller in the fridge, it'll tighten your skin, close those pores, release tension, and then help your skin wake up in the morning. This is definitely something you want to add to your morning and night routine. So like I was saying, there are benefits from putting it in the refrigerator. It basically tightens up your skin, especially if you use it first thing in the morning. So as you can see here on the screen, this is the packaging. It's showing what it can do, the anti-aging. The inside we have the jade roller, and we also have this other stone, which I think you use under your skin, but then it also has instructions on how to use it, and I also show you how to use it in the video. So if you want to see what that looks like, keep watching. So I can tell this is not, I was doing some research to say like, okay, how can I tell if this is a real jade roller? And they said that, I mean, it would go from like dark green to light milky green, but you wouldn't see any black spots on it, like you can kind of do here. But I'm gonna use it regardless. So I'm deep conditioning. It's a whole mood. I'm relaxing, and so I'm just gonna be taking this. I really want to do this on my chin, and then you do like 3 to 6 strokes. I'm definitely gonna invest in a real one. I just want to see how this works, and so you want to go circulate outward like this. This feels actually really good. So the best way to do this is with no product on your face, and it's really just going to allow for your skin to, like I mentioned, all of the benefits. It's going to have all of those benefits on your skin. And it just feels good. I mean, regardless of the stone. But I know the jade stone itself has some benefits. This is just very relaxing. And then like it showed on the back of the box, when you're doing your eyes, you take the other side, kind of just gently roll out. I also read that applying more pressure doesn't necessarily provide more benefits, so you just want to make sure you're not going too hard or causing any damage to your skin. I don't really have wrinkles, but I know that I can look more live. So like I said, I did get this off of Amazon, but I'm gonna invest in a real one once I see like what this does, and then add it to my routine. I can even put it in the fridge to really wake up and tighten my skin in the morning times. So it's suggested to use it 1 to 2 times. that day with no product on and then apply your product afterwards. So I had just washed my face and my hair in the shower, and so I didn't have on any product. But I'm just loving the way this feels. I'm getting a little redness, but that's all good because of what it's meant to do. Now you always gotta get your neck. Your neck is basically like part of your face. So I can keep going and keep going, but as far as my first impression, I pulled it out the box and it did break. So that's how I know this is just not high quality. And I didn't really expect it to be for the amount that I paid, but I really just wanted to get a feel because everyone talks about them and see what it feels like, the weight, what it feels like on my skin, the rolling motion. It's pretty lightweight. It's easy to carry around if you need a midday pick-me-up. I would say I do want to invest in a real one. There's no amount of time that you can do this. So you could do this all day. I mean, who has time for that? But it's really relaxing, so perfect for a spa day. This combined with like steaming your face, oh my gosh, I can't even imagine, especially when this is straight out the fridge. Like, this is definitely something I have to add to my spa day routine. I will stick with this one until I find one that I know is high quality and willing to invest in it. I'm imagining it's going to be like 30-40 bucks compared to what I paid for it. But I just love the way my face is loose now. I can just see that there's no swelling. It woke up my eyes. And I definitely can't say all things, you know, all the benefits after one rolling session. I will continue to use this product, and the moment I do decide to invest in one, I will compare the two to show you what it looks like, to make sure that when you do decide to get one, you are investing in one that is worth the money. Hey guys, yeah, so my skin is just flourishing right now. I mean, I went ahead and did the Jade roller all over and then applied my skincare products as usual. So since this is a video promoting the Jade roller, I did not show you my skincare products, but don't fret because I have multiple videos on what those products are, so be sure to go check them out. If you're not subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button because you do not want to miss out on all of the uploads I have coming your way. We are growing, we are thriving. Help me reach my goal. My goal is 50K by the end of the year, and I know I can get there with your help. If this video was helpful, be sure to share it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles.